So.
Okay. And the second follow-up question that I had was, I had made some comments about Algebra I in the 8th grade last time, and I'd kind of looked at some statistics and saw that we did indeed have a 100% pass rate for Algebra I in 8th grade in Park last year, and we had near 100% the year before. But we also have some of the smallest percentages of students that we're putting into Algebra I in 8th grade compared to all of our peer counties. And so that kind of screams to me, this looks like an area of opportunity that, we're not necessarily challenging some of our better learners as much as we could, and a possibility to maybe improve those opportunities and those challenges for something that wouldn't be a budgetary constraint.
Correct.
Right? Like if we have, in 6th grade right now, we just have advanced academic. We don't have an honors class. Right. And, I've talked to, math resource teachers and things like that to try to understand why that is, and I think I do understand it, but it kind of gets you on a path to honors algebra in 8th grade. Should we also be considering the advanced academic groups getting that Algebra I, or maybe a slightly modified timeline of Algebra I, just so that we make sure that we are challenging and providing those opportunities to our students?
Yeah, we are actually, and I think in some ways we're remiss in that what I'm going to share in a second, we didn't try more aggressively several years back. But we're currently working very hard to direct principals and our teachers, resource teachers, to look at student populations differently so that we, those students who may not have an advocate, a parent advocate, or may not present themselves like other students who seem to rise to the top or excel, to really start looking at some of our underserved populations and students who we think present potential that perhaps we hadn't considered previously, and put them in learning environments where they will be more challenged, or where they will be challenged. And obviously provide the support when needed. But at all levels, at the elementary level, we've taken some aggressive action to do exactly that with our gifted and talented programs. And at the middle school level as well, principals have been directed to do the same. So we're looking at student data, I think, through many different lenses, so that we can do exactly what you're suggesting. And I think in a lot of ways that's been long overdue.
Okay. I mean, I don't know how other board members feel about it, but
I would agree.
Does it make sense to start thinking about it?
Absolutely.
Introducing Algebra I at the advanced academic level?
We've already given direction to say we've noticed these statistics too. We aren't challenging enough kids. We need to expand that pool.
Okay.
Right.
Increase.